Hey, what's up, lovely coin holder? What's going on? This is the live price prediction of lovely coin market, and today I have something very special information for all lovely coin holder now. So kindly holders, you will need to must watch this completely video, my friends, to understand better now to what's going on this time, and especially what we will need to do to get a profit now. So this time, as you can see, my friend, the lovely coin price is 0. I think 605161 USD dollar. It's very cheap price, my buddy. So kindly, first of all, that's really good coin for all of you now. To if you have any plan to invest now, I think it's really good option now to you will invest because it's very cheap price and you will easily buy it now. So absolutely, you can see, my friend, if you want to trading now, just only go now. I hope, my friend, after the mid of month this coin will pumps up. So therefore it's a really good coin, my friends, for a very short time investors. 6.62% in last 24 hours the price is decreasing now. So don't worry, my brothers, I am going, my friends, to tell you something very special about it. After that you will better understand to upcoming time the price will pumps up or dumps down. So you can see, my friend, the market cap, everything is my friends depend on market cap, but here is not available. So fully diluted market cap, you can see 38 million, and volume you can see here two, my friend, you can see our leg now. So I think it's very badly decreased now, 2 million, 48.08% decrease now. That's really bad news, my friends. They will decrease now, but don't worry, my brothers, I am 100% sure to upcoming times this coin will get a profit. This time you can see here the live price today is 5.19 7 USD dollar with a 24-hour trading volume of 2 billion. You can see here USD. We sorry, 2 billion. Yes, we update our lowly to USD price in real time. Lowly, I know, it's down 7.52%. Yes, my brother, this is clear. You can see here in last 24 hours, just in only 70.52% they were failed down. So it's really bad news. But don't worry, after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming time this coin will get a very good profit now. So please holders, you can see, my friends, this time the price is in United USD dollar as 0. You can see the 6052 of one lovely So please holder, if you want to get a profit now easily, this very good chance, my brothers, you will earn a lot of money. Don't miss this chance and please take a risk and get 100% profit. Hope you will understand my prediction is 100% going positive now. Please, I hope it after the mid of month they will pumps up. So you will need now to hold down. I hope, my friends, to upcoming time they will all recover. They will recover all the lost and they will give you a profit. So see you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.